Hey, this is Lady C. Welcome to Creative Studio. In the upcoming lesson, I'm going to show you how to leave a vacation response using Yahoo Mail. Now, you may be thinking, I don't want people to know that I'm going to be on vacation. Well, you don't have to tell them that. You can just let them know that you'll be unavailable to answer their email. So you're not really telling them that you're out of town. You're just telling them that you have limited access to your email. So let's hop over to the computer and I'm going to show you how this is done. Okay, so now we are in our Yahoo inbox, and all you have to do is click on the gear icon on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Next, come down to More Settings, and then go over to the left to Vacation Response. Now, go over and flip the switch to turn this on. Just click on that. Next, click in the first field. When the calendar box drops down, choose your starting date. Click in the second field. Choose your ending date. Type in a message. And now all you have to do is choose Save. Now we can return to the inbox. Next, I'm going to test the system. I'm going to go to another email. And this is an email from a totally different account. I'm going to address it to Sean Clark. Name it Conference. Now I'm going to type a message and choose Send. All we need to do now is wait for the vacation response. Okay, so now the response has come into our inbox from Sean Clark. And you're going to notice that the message that we included in the vacation response shows up in Sandra Smith's inbox from Sean Clark. Now be sure to share this information with other people because this may be interesting to them, and I'll see you on the next episode.